Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ledger Device Manager app on desktop. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Ledger Device Manager app on your desktop, first, locate the app icon on your computer. If you're using Windows, go to the Start menu. In the Start menu, click on Settings. Then, select Apps from the menu options. In the Apps section, scroll through the list of installed applications. Find the Ledger Device Manager app in the list. Once you find it, click on the app to reveal additional options. Next, click on the Uninstall button that appears. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to uninstall. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation process. The system will now begin removing the app from your computer. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message will appear. If you're using macOS, locate the Ledger Device Manager app in the Applications folder. Open the Applications folder from Finder. Once you find the app, click and drag it to the trash icon in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. After moving it to the trash, right-click on the trash icon. Then, select Empty Trash to permanently delete the app. If desired, you can also check for any remaining files. Open Finder and select Go from the top menu. Then choose Go to Folder and type in /Library Application Support. Look for any folders related to the Ledger Device Manager app. Delete those folders to ensure complete removal. Once you've finished, you're all done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.